Right, today's update, folks. Before I go any further, I've 2 followers that I share all my posts to James Lennox and Jimmy Murray. I've got it written in there, folks, because I've that much my head now, right? So it's written in there. So, but anyway, with that, I'll turn that down good now. But thanks very much for sharing all my posts and following me, right? They're the spindles for these gates here, that type of gate there. Now, if you come here closer, Joe, you'll see this, right? These are 12mm dominoes. These are 8mm dominoes, and these are 14mm dominoes, right? And that's all for these gates here, right? Now, if you come round here and see this here, these are the butts, as I talk about. These are the holes, and they get in there and they get glued. Then you've that process there, right? You see? And that's it all clamped up and glued. We'll rebate that out, and then we'll put a bracer on it, right? So that's some of the process of the gates that we wait. It's like you see what's involved. It's just no matter. I've thrown some bits of wood together. And if you come up here, this is another one we've got clamped up and glued, and we pull it all together and do this and do that and do that. It's amazing. But look, more importantly, look at this. Look, there he's there. There's the leader of the park. Now there's Horatio there. There's Horatio there, right? What we're going to call this one here. Come here, where are you hiding? Where are you hiding? Come up, Bill, too. He's hiding behind this broken gate. I'm going to saw it. That was done, damaged in the storm, by the way. Never seen it before. Look at that. Broken clean through the wind the other week there. Never thought it was so windy. So anyway, what time we ate, Joe? We near the time. Aye, he's not nice. So cheerio and see you all later, folks. Sharing, spreading, talking about me.